The Compaq Portable is an early portable computer which was one of the first 100% IBM PC compatible systems. It was Compaq Computer Corporation's first product, to be followed by others in the Compaq Portable series and later Compaq Deskpro series. Production: the Compaq Portable was announced in November 1982 and first shipped in January 1983, priced at $2,995 with a single half-height 5 1/4 360 kilobytes diskette drive or $3,590 for dual diskette drives. The 28-pound Compaq Portable folded up into a luggable case the size of a portable sewing machine. The computer was an early all-in-one, becoming available 2 years after the CP/M-based Osborne 1 and K-Pro 2. In the same year as the MIS-DOS-based Analogic Hyperion, and a year before the Commodore SX64. Its design was influenced by that of the Xerox Note-Taker, a prototype computer developed at Xerox PARC in 1976. Compaq sold 53,000 units in the first year and set revenue records for American businesses in its first 3 years of operation. IBM competed with Compaq with the IBM Portable. Design Hardware The Compaq Portable has basically the same hardware as an IBM PC, transplanted into a luggable case, with Compaq's BIOS instead of IBM's. All portables shipped with 128K of RAM and 1 to 2 double-sided disk drives. The machine uses a unique hybrid of the IBM MDA and CGA which supports the latter's graphics modes, but contains both cards' text fonts in ROM. When using the internal monochrome monitor the 9x14 font is used, and the 8x81 when an external monitor is used. The user can use both IBM video standards, for graphics capabilities and high-resolution text. With a larger external monitor, the graphics hardware is also used in the original Compaq Deskpro desktop computer. Software Compaq's efforts were possible because IBM had used mostly off-the-shelf parts for the PC and published full technical documentation for it, and because Microsoft had kept the right to license MS-DOS to other computer manufacturers. The only difficulty was the BIOS because of containing IBM's copyrighted code. Compaq solved this problem by producing a clean room worker-like that performed all documented functions of the IBM PC BIOS, but was completely written from scratch. Although numerous other companies soon also began selling PC compatibles, few matched Compaq's remarkable achievement of essentially complete software compatibility with the IBM PC until Phoenix Technologies and others began selling similarly reverse-engineered BIOS on the open market. The first portables used Compaq DOS 1.13, essentially identical to PC DOS 1.10 except for having a stand-alone BASIC that did not require the IBM PC's ROM cassette BASIC, but this was superseded in a few months by DOS 2.00 which added hard disk support and other advanced features. Aside from using DOS 1X, the initial portables are similar to the 16K 64K models of the IBM PC in that the BIOS was limited to 544K of RAM and did not support expansion ROMs, thus making them unable to use EGA/VGA cards, hard disks, or similar hardware. After DOS 2X and the IBM XT came out, Compaq upgraded the BIOS. Although the portable was not offered with a factory hard disk, users commonly installed them. Reception Byte wrote, after testing a prototype, that the Compaq Portable looks like a sure winner, because of its portability, cost, and high degree of compatibility with the IBM PC. Its reviewer tested IBM PC DOS, CP/M-86, WordStar, SuperCalc, and several other software packages, and found that all worked except one game. PC Magazine also rated the Compaq Portable very highly for compatibility, reporting that all tested applications ran. It praised the rugged hardware design and sharp display, and concluded that it was certainly worth consideration by anyone seeking to run IBM PC software without an IBM PC. Successors: this machine was the first of a series of Compaq Portable machines. References. External links: Old Computers, Compaq Portable, CED in the History of Media Technology, Compaq Portable, Obsolete Computer Museum, Compaq Portable description.